My powerful MVP family, good morning. Rise and shine, everybody. Rise and shine and give God the glory. I am here at my desk. As you see, most of my videos on the weekdays, it's done right here at this desk because I love this man behind me who had led so many peaceful marches that, again, we're still not there yet, guys. We're still struggling. Racism still abound. People are still looking down on other people. But you know what? We're here, and I'm sitting in a beautiful building being a teacher and working alongside others. So we are here. So good morning. I know your locker is open. You got your hair nicely done. Miss you yesterday. But I walk in and I'm sweating, but I'm walking in with the thoughts in my head, guys, because I just have to really just give a short message today. My message today is that not only when we receive, it's a blessing, but we must also thank God when we're able to have enough so we can give back. Last night I'm in my head and I'm trying to put my budget together, and I know there's so much to get done. I have a godson. I have to make sure that I touch bases with him. The school started and I should have done this already. Good morning, son. But I have to do the budgets and make sure things get done that must get done. So today he's in the budget. I have to, the soup kitchen needs the rendering sand, whatever that is, plus some showels. And again, we paid for work that was done for the flashing and stuff like that. And we had a little guy who helped. So those funds that were collected last week, she met in Montego Bay and collected that fund from the anonymous person for me. That was spent. So this week we have to get the sand, and we have to also pay, just pay him for his work. Because again, if we had hired, why are the black jackets coming in and the gray jackets coming in and the other colors coming in? Come on, guys. Good morning. And so things have to get done. And so I did my budget and I got up early to say, all right, let me delegate. And I'm grateful to God I'm able to do it, guys. And a notification came in from the GoFundMe. And I'm saying, when I went in, I have an anonymous donor who sent the soup kitchen $100. And I'm looking like, God, look at this. I am here budgeting my funds to make sure funds get down there. Because as I said, Bev Brown's granddaughter, bright little girl, you all saw Bev Brown shared her report cards with us and her certificates. And as I said, the community is a very needy community. And so she's starting school, and I said, you know what? Let me get her, send her a laptop to help her. And I sent it, and then I know she has to pay to collect it down there. Okay, it has to go through customs. And that is one of the things. So the funds I sent to Bev Brown had to give her that amount. The rest to buy the sand and trowels, and to also pay Dwayne. So, you know what? God is good. So I'm thanking him for his blessings, guys. So I'm able to do those things and also pay for my bills here. And as I saw the notification and I looked and I said, look at this, Lord. Look at this. I just sent X amount, 5 times what the person sent. And here is something coming back. I don't get the GoFundMe money quickly because they take a percentage. So you never get 100 will come, but I'm only going to get 90 something. They take a percentage out of everything that comes. The more comes, is it's the more they're going to take. But I'm just thankful. So that will stay there until the next sending of the floor next. And so we'll have that to help pay for the floor work to be done. So you have to be thankful. And one of the other things I needed to say, good morning, is the Nario, not Mario. Yes. I think you deserve a frozen drink today. You're smiling. You're welcome. Here, you could wrap it in this. Wash it so that it starts melting so you can enjoy it. But wrap it in this so it doesn't melt on this table. And I say, I sent the laptop for the girl because she deserves it. But a lot of times we do things, I see people send a barrel down and me not pay for clear it. Me I send this go get them and make them sit down if they can't clear it. But that's how we should be. I send the barrels and I do door to door for them because they didn't ask for it. It's not like they call and beg and say, boy, Miss Bev, if you send one barrel, come we try clear it. I know how it is. People not working, people have no funds. Or if they even have funds, it's very minimal. And so for me, thank God. And as I said, I'm not talking about what I do, because I couldn't ever talk about all I do. But I'm still saying we send things on and we are expecting people to finance it when they don't have it. So if we're sending something, I sent the laptop, the girl told me how much to get. I'm not going to say, well, I sent it to you, you figure it out. No. Once I start something, I want to make sure it's finished. And so even with the soup kitchen, I know Bev Brown are working. It would benefit her, but it's benefiting the community, the people that we decided we're going to be feeding. And so I'm not expecting her, well, you're calling me about stone and that. You can, I wish she could contribute, but her time and whatever, and the videos to show us what's going on, I am thankful for that. So remember, guys, blessings don't only come when people give to you. Blessings come also when you're able to have enough to give back to somebody. Blessings come when you ship something and you clear it. Don't make it become. Good morning. Thank you. Good morning. All right. Blessings. You cannot do things haphazardly or half done. Let it be done nicely so that the people can enjoy it. Because believe me, to send a barrel and then to pay somebody to pay to clear it and then to hire somebody to get it, it is tough on people who are not working. So whatever you can do, guys, you got the opportunities to come here. It's a better place. We can find food. No matter what, you go in the store with $50, you can come out with something. You can come out with something. You go to Jamaica, the equivalent of $50, and you go to Jamaica with it. I don't know what you can come out with. Because everything is what it is. So if you can pack something and send it, man, and clear it for them, send it go. Send it go on. When we check out how much to do door to door, how much the rigmarole and all of that for me said, just pay for it door to door. Might sound like a lot, but it's not in the end. So if we're helping, help from the heart and help to the finish. And the soup kitchen shocked me because it really has taken a lot. But you know what? We started and we're going to finish it and we've gotten a lot of help. So again, my hat's off to all of you who committed yourself to just supporting the cause and has been just so more than supportive. Thanks for the comments that you take the time out to leave on the videos. They really, some of you will say things that are a little different from my opinion, but I love every comment. I love them. I feel sad when I do a video and I don't see the love, but I say, God, you know what? I'm thankful for all things. I'm thankful for all things because we're growing and progress is progress. So make it a great day by choice, guys. Do the good you can do, no matter how small it is. It might be small for you, but for somebody else, it's a big, big thing. It's priceless. Love. Take care.